Cinch Auto Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online car buying wrong. They assume it's risky or overpriced. The surprising truth about Cinch Auto Sales is that it offers a seamless, transparent, and fully online car buying experience, and you won't believe how simple the process can be. Here's how it works. Cinch allows you to browse a wide selection of used cars online, view detailed specifications, and see real photos. Every car comes with a history check and a warranty option, giving peace of mind without visiting a dealership. Once you choose a vehicle, Cinch arranges home delivery or pickup. For example, if you are looking for a 2019 hatchback, Cinch displays options with mileage, price, and full inspection details. Most people get this wrong. They assume used cars online are risky, but Cinch's inspection process and optional warranties reduce uncertainty. Additional features include financing options, part exchange for your old car, and customer support for queries. Users praise its convenience, transparency, and fast delivery. However, there are considerations. Prices may be slightly higher than local dealerships, and availability depends on location. Most people assume online car buying is impersonal. It's actually supported with guidance and warranty coverage. In conclusion, Cinch Auto Sales is ideal for buyers who want a fast, transparent, and low-stress way to purchase a used car without leaving home. Subscribe for more honest reviews of automotive marketplaces.